Hey everybody, quick one tonight. Just wanted to talk to you just for a second about looking good. So remember we talked about the second you get married, you don't let yourself go. You keep on just be a decent person, be somebody who looks good, and just fight for your wife every single day. Just a quick one. This stuff right here, I know you're like, what is this now? Let me show you how this shines shoes. It's really cool. It's something that I use all the time whenever I'm going out, if my shoes are scuffed up or whatever, and it's a real quick, easy fix, way easier than actually getting the polish out and shining nice shoes. Let's go see how it works. So here's some wing tips I haven't used in a while. This is Aldo brand, but you can use any of these. I'll put a link in the description for these, but check it out. You just wipe it on. It's got this chemical in it, and it really does a great job really fast. I have just a few minutes to go before I go and meet up with my wifey at a certain bar that we're going to. So I don't know. It's good enough that I wanted you guys to know about it, because I don't know if any people know about this stuff. So it's just like a sponge that you get at the shoe shop, but I really love it. So wanted you guys to enjoy it as well. So I'll put a link in the description. You can check it out. That's it. I'm going to go play. So we'll see you in the next one on another day.